Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a SpareRoom ad. All right. As you can see here, I am at spareroom.co.uk, or if you live in the US, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and select US. All right. Once done, make sure that you're logged in. Now, once logged in, just hover your mouse right here to your profile. Now go ahead and go to My Ads right here, click on it, and you will be landed to this exact page. So what we're going to do in here is just scroll down until we find your ads. All right, as you can see here, I have one active. Now, if you just want to edit it, just go ahead and click on edit right here. All right, click on it, and you'll be able to find these options that you may want to change. But if you really want to delete it, just go back. Now, as you can see here, we have the option to deactivate the ad. Just click on it. Now we are on the deactivate ad tab. It says here, before we deactivate your ad, please answer the following questions. Why are you deactivating your ad? All right, let's say, for example, I've decided not to rent out the room. All right, now how likely are you to recommend SpareRoom to your friends and colleagues? Could be 10. It says here, what can we do to improve? If you want to, you can go ahead and leave a message. If not, just go ahead and hit on confirm the activation. All right, it says here in your ad section, it is now not live and says deactivated. All right, and that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.